So the 2026 budget speech has come out, and what are the most important things that you need to know? If you have your own business, you no longer have to register for VAT if you do more than R1 million revenue per year. You only have to register for VAT if you do more than 2.3 million rands revenue per year. If you have a tax-free savings account, instead of contributing 36,000 rand per year, you can now contribute 46,000 rand per year. But remember, your lifetime contribution still remains 500,000 rand. Now you can reach that in 11 years, saving you 3 years. Number 3, if you have a retirement annuity, your annual deductions went from 350,000 rand to 430,000 rand. Number 4, if you're looking to take money offshore, your annual allowance was R1 million, it's now been pushed up to 2 million rand. Number 5, if you have to pay capital gains tax, your capital gains tax exclusion went up from 40,000 rand to 50,000 rand. And number 6, if you have a trust and you donate money to the trust every single year, that went up from 100,000 rand per person to 150,000 rand. And if you want to know how to make a success of this, go to the link in my bio, download the free tools, and you can start your stewardship journey today.